hope that journey takes you everywhere that you ever wanted to go. But the bad bits go past real quick, the good times roll real slow. I could be singing this song long after you're gone.
It's just crazy. Even at like half level, it's so dynamic. It's mental. It's doing certain things that my Honda is capable to do, which is really difficult from a sort of OEM looking setup with underseat drivers. There's so much guts in the system. It's fucking crazy.
sun.
Falls upon us and takes away the sunshine. But in the end, I know everything happens for a reason, to make us stronger.
Guys, don't miss the walk around video of this build. Normally I don't talk in the teaser video, but this setup is just wow. You know, it's pretty much like OEM other than the pillar build and the sail panel, but you know what this package is doing right now is wow, it's packing so much. Like, I get the same excitement like in my Honda in a way. Yes, there are many things that it can't do, but man, for what it is, you know, OEM style underseat drivers, and considering how easy it was to install the underseat drivers, you will see when I share everything. This setup is just crazy. Well, 25 days put into it, but man, subscribe to the channel, check out the next video when I show this build and when the light doesn't go off. See you in the next one.